Hello everybody, welcome to Python sample program video series. In this video, I'm going to explain to people how to swap two numbers in Python. So in the next video, I'll explain how to swap two numbers without using a third variable. But in this video, I'll make use of the third variable, that is temporary variable, to swap the two numbers. So I'll open my Python software. Okay. So here I'll take two numbers, say n1. I'll take one number called n1. I'll store some number here. I'll take another number. I'll store that number in n2. So two variables I have taken and two numbers I'm going to read from the user. I'll store this number into variables. Then, before swapping, the n value is 20 and n2 value is 30. After swapping, I should get, after swapping, I should get n1 is equal to 30 and n2 value should become a 20. Okay, so this we will see how to how we can do this in Python. So here the n1 value is there. This value, what I'll do is I will shift to one more variable. I'll take one more variable called n3. I'll shift this variable. For example, I'll say n3 is equal to n1. So whatever is there in n1, I transfer it to n3. So now I'll write n1 is equal to n2. Whatever is there in n1, I'll transfer to whatever is there in n2. I'll transfer to n1. Then I'll make use of I'll write n3. Sorry, n1, n2. I'll write, and in whatever value I have stored in n3, that I'll transfer to n2. Okay, so in n1 I got n2 value. In n2 I got the n1 value. So this we will see how to achieve this in Python. Okay, so let me go to Python editor. I'll go to file. I'll select new file. So here I'll read two numbers. Say n1 is equal to, I'll write int. Input is a function which is used to read the data from the user. Enter the n1 value. Okay, so one value I'm reading and I'm store it in n1. Now I'll read one more value. I'll store that value in n2, a variable called n2. So this is I have stored. So what I'll do is I'll print the values of n1 and n2. So before swapping, so I'll write one printf message. But I'll print the values of n1 and n2 are values of n1 and n2 before swapping are. The values of n1 and n2 before swapping are, say I'll say equal to n1 is equal to, I'll use close double quotes, comma n1. So I'll use n2 is equal to, close it, like n2. Okay, so I'm printing the values of n1 and n2 before swapping. Now I'll swap the values. So I told you people that I'll take one more variable, that is n3. I'll store the n1 value. So I have used the assignment operator. So this is the assignment operator. By using that, I can assign the value to a variable. I can create the variable by using assignment operator. So n3 is equal to n1. n1 is equal to n2. n2 is equal to n3. So now I have swapped the values. Now I'll print the message after swapping the values of n1 and n2. The values of n1 and n2 after swapping. After swapping, I'll just save it. I'll give swap.py Okay, I'll go to run. I'll run it. So enter the value of n1. I'll enter 52. Enter the value of n3, 36. So I'm getting a message. The value of n1 and n2 before swapping, n1 is equal to 52, n2 is equal to, see here, 36. After swapping, n1 is equal to 36, n2 is equal to 52. So this is very simple program. Student, I hope you understood this program. Thank you.